Have you been scrolling on Etsy recently and noticed it's practically raining mockups for sale? There's actually a really good reason for that and why demand for mockups has been surging. Good, quality product photos aren't just eye candy, they're the best way for an item to sell itself. But which mockups get the most sales? And is it better for you to buy or DIY? Hey, Leah here, and it's time your mockups turn those browsers into buyers. This is your guide to creating mockups that make customers want to click for more. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a good mockup is definitely worth a lot of money. That's because mockups do more than just show buyers what they can expect. They build trust in the quality of a product and share an aesthetic that customers desire. In order to increase the chances of your item getting clicked on, your mockup should do 4 things. Focus on realism, showing an item in use so customers can visualize themselves with it. Assure quality. Offer detailed looks of a product to guarantee its credibility. Provide consistency, making sure items look the same no matter where they are listed. And finally, tell a story by focusing on a feeling or emotion your buyers want, like staging a mug in a cafe or a kitchen setting to inspire feelings of warmth and comfort. But which mockups can do all of this, and how do you choose? Let's break it down. Let's get something straight right away. One single mockup can't do everything for you. It'll take a combination of the right mockups to convince your buyers to actually add to cart. Your first or main image, however, should create an opportunity to look further and learn more. Like a Tinder bio for your product, pique their interest first and then reassure their curiosity. There are 3 main types of mockups you should include in your listing: a flat lay or direct view of your item, a model mockup showing items like apparel being worn or in use, and a studio or lifestyle mockup showing your item in context, like a place or a setting. You should also add close-up images showing your items in more detail around seams or edges. Lucky for you, Printify's product creator gives you downloadable options for all these image types. But if you want to set yourself apart, the next step is figuring out how to make them your own. If you have a passion for photography, access to good lighting, and samples of all your products, then shooting and editing your own product photos is a great idea. You can even repurpose your images for marketing and social media content later. But if you're short on time and money, buying them online is your next best bet. Once purchased, there are plenty of easy-to-use tools to edit your design and adjust your image. But you might not always find mockups for all the products you have or in the angles you want. Plus, with more sellers buying the same images, your items risk looking inauthentic or fake. That's why it helps to incorporate brand elements into your mockups as much as possible, whether it's through a color, font, background, or a style that matches your unique aesthetic. Emphasizing your brand's personality through your mockups will make buyers curious for more. The demand for mockups isn't the only reason there's a gold rush happening on Etsy right now. In an episode of our podcast, Printing Profits, Talish finds out why with POD power seller Gina Odato.
So you started your own mockup store, and that was like a side business to your side business, essentially.
Yeah. And I will say, a mockup store, I want to gatekeep this, but it might be the easiest business in the history of businesses. I'm not even joking.
Check out that interview to learn more, or save it for later by subscribing to our channel. Want to know more about mockups? Comment your questions down below. In the meantime, show this video some love with a like, and we'll see you next time.